massive thank you for the 500 subscribers. So I need to replace my Corsa Vxr, as Piston 4 has now gone on it. I've owned that car for a year. It's been amazing. My first ever hot hatch, and I'm in love with the category. So I want to get another hot hatch, but I'm not too sure what to get. So I'm going to put a vote box up in the on top of the video. So just click on which one you think I should get, and I need to make a decision, preferably by Sunday. So I'm going to be uploading this today. I'm recording this today and uploading today, which is Wednesday, and I need to make a decision by Sunday and hopefully have my car ready by Wednesday. So the options are, do I get another Corsa Vxr, but this time Nurburgring edition, because I want to get something a bit different to what I've had, which the Nurburgring edition has 202 horsepower and it looks like this. Or do I go for a Ford Fiesta ST, which has 190 horsepower or just under, and that looks like this. So this is quite nice. I'd probably buy this in the blue because I think it suits it the best. Or do I go for a step up from the little hot hatches and get a mid-size, so a Golf R Mark 7? So that's going to have 300 horsepower and 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds. So that looks like this. So do I get that, or do I go for a Audi S3, which is basically the same car as the Golf R, but with an Audi badge? So that has exactly the same 300 horsepower and 0 to 60 less than 5 seconds. Or do I go a step up from the Golf R and the S3 and get a Mercedes A45 AMG? That is a hell of a step up on paper. So it's got 360 horsepower. So it's a 60 horsepower step up from the Golf R and the S3. It does 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. So I will be buying the pre-facelift, as I've heard them both, and I think the pre-facelift does sound way louder. Next week, tune in and we'll have either a hyper hatch or a hot hatch. So yeah, thanks for watching, and again, massive thank you for the 500 subscribers.